Welcome to the HRVC channel. Today I will show you how to access the recycle bin on the VIVO X300 Pro. To open the recycle bin, simply open File Manager by opening the shortcut, or if you don't have it, scroll up to the app drawer, scroll down until you find File Manager. In the File Manager, your recycle bin is at the bottom. Here is called Recently Deleted. Let's say I took this picture, deleted it, but changed my mind and I want to restore it. Simply press on the file and click Restore. Now let's say I change my mind again and I want to permanently delete it. Go back, go to Images, hold down the image you want to delete, click Delete, confirm, and now go back to the recycle bin. To empty the recycle bin, simply press this little trash can here. Press clear. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the HRVC channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.